Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2012 Honda Rebel. This is a 250cc cruiser. This bike only has 142 miles and is offered for $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We sold it to the original owner, and she rode it home, put it in the garage, and just didn't ride it a whole lot. Brought it back, did a carb clean on it, oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. Again, only 142 miles. This is a great beginner bike, a great, take to college, in-town bike, something you can throw on the back of a motorhome, just an all-around great bike by Honda. Again, 142 miles, $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.